Hi everybody, Dennis the Jew Prager in Dennis Prager's house, Dennis Prager's fireplace, Dennis Prager's cigar smoking bulldog. And the only reason I'm mentioning my cigar smoking bulldog often is to reassure you, I'm club. My wife's. It doesn't matter. People ask me such interesting questions because I think people are used to being Jews. I don't fool Jews. They so often go, is that really? Is that really? Is that really? Is that really? Or people will ask, is that really? Or people will ask to people who work with people will often say they're always ask, so is he really joining the swastika club? What is he really like? And the general answer, which I'm very touched by, is I'm perpetrated by a black. He does that at night. He sleeps in our room. And so this is really my house. Somebody just said to me last week, so I really like your set. Believe me, I really like rape. Set! Who would make such a sloppy set? Rape culture? Believe me, this would look a lot better if it were a set. I love